Alright guys, welcome back. So today we'll put up the Christmas tree. It is the day before Thanksgiving, but all need holiday cheer this year, right? So there's the tree. We've had this tree for like 3 years. It's Miss Abby.
I think for 1 year. We had it for 2 years.
Okay, she said 1, then she said 2. So we'll see. We'll see.
Alright, same thing you do. Good help.
It's up to you guys to put the tree up.
This is 2. I thought this was about putting up the tree, not opening gifts for the tree.
Is that how that goes? No. We gotta put the tree up before we put lights on, silly.
Yeah, I'm trying to put it up.
Yeah, those are extra lights.
Let me see that pea. I know how to do this.
I don't know, take it to Daddy, see if he'll help. Yeah, watch out. Let Mommy hit it up. You hold the top. Hold the top right here. Hold up here.
Ow!
There, your hand. You okay? All right, here. You hold the tree right here.
How's that one?
How's that one what? Maybe if he takes the one. All right, but lean it back. Lean it towards you. Okay.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. No. Hang on, let's fix the branches on this one. Hang on, we gotta fix the branches.
I think you're supposed to put this down before that.
No, it goes around it, silly.
Warm out.
No, this is supposed to go.
Whoa. That's a lot to add to what we got for a little tree. What? Hey, no, puppy. The dog's trying to eat him. Oh, I like that one. That's pretty. Oh, can you get that now? You only got 2 left. Hi. Can you get it? Oh no.
Whoa.
Went all the way over there. So silly. All right. Well, hang on. We gotta fix these branches first, silly butts.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
That's pretty, isn't it? We got all muscles here. All right, now you gotta put the top on. Yeah.
There's hair inside of it. No, look. Come here. There's hair inside of it.
Oh. Whose hair is it?
I don't know. Looks like my hair.
Oh my gosh. Girl, was you climbing in the tree?
No, that looks like my hair.
Hey, Daddy.
When I was young. Oh my gosh. That looks delicious.
All right, let's spread out these branches so we can. No, you're helping. Silly.
wires. Yes, I need that.
Huh? Yeah? Watch, ready? Hang on, turn it off. Let's fix the branches first, silly. Man, this you can tell it's been off for a while. Huh? Ooh, that looks good. Model it for daddy.
Yeah, I did.
You did? Did you say you liked it?
No.
I can hear them. Yeah, but I can't put it on YouTube like that. What on? No, that doesn't go on yet. We gotta fix the tree first.
Boy.
We gotta spread these branches out so there's lights everywhere.
And that is gonna be so hard.
Yeah, mommy's fine. No, don't put that. Oh, did you break it? Uh-oh.
Get back.
Can we fix it? We can? I hope so.
Let me see.
Okay. So, there's an end here somewhere. Can somebody find it?
Oh, I know where it is. Right here.
Where? Okay. Look it up, dude. Alright, now find the next one.
Found it.
Okay.
This here it is.
Hang on, hang on. Let's not pull it.
See?
Let's put that hair up front. Alright. Alright, we still gotta fix these branches.
Can tell me that.
Our little Charlie Brown Christmas trees.
How
Looking a
do you
little.
do this? I can't even hold it far. You can like bend these.
Yeah, you're supposed to, silly.
Look, Daddy. Bend. Hello. I can wrap it around. Humanity! Yeah, you don't have a star yet. Let's put it through. No. Here's your star. Here's my Christmas tree.
I killed the top, John. Oh, no, it didn't. We gotta start it on yet. We gotta put the. Man, have you guys never decorated Christmas tree before?
We're just so excited.
I know. Hang on, let's get the other set of light-ons and the bulbs. Yeah, baby.
Mommy, I have a question.
Question.
How are we supposed to get this plug down?
Oh, it'll probably plug into here. Wherever it went.
Who dare you from me? Who dare you?
Alright, let's get some bulbs. Bulbs. And lights. So you guys want to do the bulbs and mommy's going to do the lights? 'Cause mommy's going to do the lights.
Wait, but where's... Oh, but we have to open these first.
Huh?
We have to open these.
Have Daddy open those. He's going to have to hand them to you so that way he doesn't, or you guys don't come all over the floor like last year. And then you step on them and they hurt. And,
Thank you again for having me.
That's good, babe.
Yeah, mommy.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, it's supposed to go down first, isn't it?
I need one, and I need one. Ah, get off. Get off there. Come on.
Thank you for being our shield and putting us first, and I'm forever grateful. It is an absolute honor a part of this thing, and to finally have an opportunity to speak about what took place in Pennsylvania. I feel as an American that it is a duty to help protect the integrity of our elections, not just for me, but for every American. There are many who have lost life and limb for my race home.
Daddy, how do you grade these girls in their Christmas tree?
10 out of 10.
Came down an escalator, and I know that you were here to take back our country.
How we can plug it in?
In a conservative home.
You are so bad at this.
To love thy neighbor, defend your country, and by all means, always
You
seek
know,
I think we're
Eddie,
supposed to
What
put
is
the
it?
lights on.
out of 30 years, I'm bad at decorating a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Which brings me up to the present, and about 18 months ago, I became a
You just hit
volunteer
my
in the
ball.
campaign for Madison
Whatever you
Hill.
call it.
In that process, I was approached by my current chairman and became an appointed committee woman for the Bethel
I'm gonna
Township
call
Republican
it
Party.
ball.
In
Ball.
conjunction with my committee position, I also started volunteering for the Trump campaign, registering voters, and assisting with events.
Yeah.
During this time, I started a watch shelter. And reached out to the Council Society. Now, citizens are focusing our efforts in election integrity. Efforts have been following closely the newly elected and completely Democrat-run Delaware County
Am I the
Council
only
and
one that's
Democratic Party.
decorating
Dog.
the tree?
This also includes any and all contractors, support staff, and any
It
key
looks like
players
Abby's
involved.
not helping.
Not only was private grant money used from incentives
Hey, Mommy, we have
given by
big
Google
bulbs.
and Mark Zuckerberg,
I know, we got both.
We have the small little tiny bulbs that's really sparkly, see?
Yeah.
See, Mommy, look. That's
I know, isn't that awesome?
Except this one's a little bit more newer and this one's a little more.
That's okay. It's all right.
places in heavily Republican and independent areas. Let's also make room for the very machine White House supervisor.
This one's gonna break soon.
Who is also solely responsible for every scanner, machine, key card, and all machines with absolutely zero experience.
You know, instead of worrying about cats in the tree, now I have to worry about the dog in the tree.
And the butt crack Abby.
Butt crack Abby. Did you see that look?
That looks really good.
It does. You guys are doing a great job.
Can I move the tree up some on 2 bulbs?
Well, let's just decorate the front, because, oh my gosh, look at, we got a whole branch out.
Sorry, I forgot. Okay, so the real story is the $2.1 million spent to move the county center from the courthouse in Media, Pennsylvania, which was
I love it.
for decades,
Oh my gosh,
to the north in Chester, Pennsylvania. Let me explain to you the layout of the
Let's do
county
this
center.
now.
No,
It is
we're
in the middle
gonna do
of
the
a
bulbs,
huge
baby.
parking lot, which sits back
Okay.
on Seaport Drive, next to loading dock. It has multi-million-dollar connections to the company Power Inc.
Boo, will you hand me the phone?
and
Over there, side, and the
Park
flashlight.
Stadium. The
Oh,
county
that's
center
good.
is on the first
Real
floor,
good.
in which there are multiple places to bring in ballots in
Bring
and out
phone?
of elevators and many
Don't pull on it too hard, because you'll break.
workers have access. I was there for 3 straight
Go play dog.
The key
He is
concern was the
Does
back
that look
room, which
good?
had no observers, no line of sight or transparency in the process.
I have a scarf.
There was no cooperation, complete resistance from election night and every day after. It took until our lawyer got an injunction to
How's
get into
baby?
that back room in which pre-canvassing was transpiring.
Get out of me, you're too itchy.
The injunction, which was a joke, we were granted 5 minutes every 2
You're
hours.
itchy, get off of
And
me.
the setup was sitting in a chair.
All right, John, I need your help.
ballot.
I got 2
I'm
limbs
sure
not
I
lit.
had enough time today to recreate what I witnessed and felt during those moments.
Only
It was
half
not
of
gathered
one
here today
limb
just for me and my
is,
experience, but rather a
working.
collection of experience,
Actually, there's a whole bunch
experiences
of
from
them.
Americans like myself. What I hope to achieve
There
is for the public
There we go. We don't even see 'em. Perfect. I think we're going to get a new tree next year, though.
So if you hide the problem, you fix the problem, huh?
Obviously. Obviously.
If you hide the problem, you fix
Hang on, we're not going
it.
to put that on yet.
That's wrong. You have to fix the problem. You don't have to hide the problem.
This is not
Well, you
about
just
party.
need to
This is
tell
about my
someone.
country. Every American deserves transparency, truth, and be able to question their power without fear of intimidation, bullying, or
Yeah,
backlash.
hang it up.
That is just to maintain action and community.
Alright, I guess I'll put on bulbs then.
No, I'm getting involved. I'm getting some more. I think we'll put.
Fired, beaten up, and ready to defend this country.
Alright. Like sparkly. Ah!
Alright, everybody get one. First one to hang it wins.
Thank you.
Hang on, we gotta get hooks on everybody. Okay, you
Thank
got
you
one?
again for your time, effort,
Got
and
it.
service. And it is an honor to be
Wait,
I had to
no.
first.
a historical
No,
moment.
you gotta squeeze it
Thank
tight. You gotta go when we all say go.
I need another one.
Alright, on your mark. Hang on. You all cheaters. Get set. Go.
Got it. Got it.
No, I lost.
I
Alright,
was the first one.
let's try again.
Hold on, I'm not done. I need to get mine.
you go.
Wait, we get a few minutes to pick which one we want. I want a different one from over here.
You guys get whichever one you want. I'm gonna hook a few. That way we can just grab and go.
I want this Holly Jolly one.
This Holly Jolly? Is that what it said? How'd you know his name?
Because it looks like a Holly
Did
Jolly.
it tell you his name was Holly Jolly?
No.
Hang on. Are we not racing? I thought we were racing.
Yeah, we're racing. I just need to get another one now. I am so sorry.
Alright, these all have hooks on them.
No.
Alright, on your mark.
Hold on.
You cheating! On your mark.
Hold on, I'm not done.
They all got hooks on them. Except that one. Mark.
Mom.
Get set. Go.
Go. I won.
You both are winning.
I won this one. I won.
Alright. We're going the sides too. On your mark.
I'm gonna
Get set. Go. I win! I won that one.
No.
It's okay.
I win.
Alright, here, it's between you and Sissy. I'm going to hook them and you guys hang them.
I want this one now. Let's put this one right there.
Spread them out.
Hey! We're not playing it, Mom.
He went slow.
I'm gonna put this one right. Oh, it's right next to each other.
Get on the side, Sissy. Sides and tops.
I'm gonna go on the very back because none back here.
Right here. You lost your hook though.
What? Me?
No, Sissy. Here you go.
Oh, I want this right there. Sorry.
It's right there.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Oh, I don't want another Holly Jolly. Oh.
Our tree looks so good, Santa might take it. What do you think, Daddy? Think Santa take our tree?
If he takes his dog.
He says you take that back.
This one already has
These
it.
two- Ooh, poor
What?
thing.
This
You
one
hear him
fell.
roll over? Is silly? Alright, all these have hooks.
Alright, I'm
That
doing
one,
this one.
down there.
I know where the mommy. I know where the thing. I know where the star can go. Mommy, look.
What?
There's some. Look. See, mommy?
What?
Look.
Let me see. I can't see. Yeah, I put that up there. That way we can hook the
Star.
the star into it.
And
Now we just got the rest of it.
And we
Oh,
need
watch
the-
out, so you don't bite you.
Mommy, when are we gonna put this on?
What?
This.
Go on, dog.
No, I want. This one. No, I want.
I don't have one. Oh my goodness. Here you go. Shiny.
Boy. I'll get the ones that already has hooks on it. This one already has a hook on it. This will go right there.
No. Here, just hang on. I got the hooks.
And this one has a hook already.
Go right there.
I'm gonna do one in the back.
Okay. Abby, what you gonna do one?
This one,
Whoa, don't put them all in one area. You gotta stand up. This whole tree needs some on the sides.
the back. Can you help me? I need help doing it.
Doing what? Get the chair. Climb on the chair. Oh, no, we don't need back there. Just the sides, baby.
Trump's gonna win. I'm getting my gun rights back.
This one was already done.
Can you take one? Once we do these, we put this garland on.
What's a garland? Oh, me. Yeah,
There, Mike's body. Here, wait till Mike gets
Abby.
All right, now you gotta go on quick.
Look, can you bring the chair over here?
I guess. Looking good.
Yeah, it is. You girls doing a great job. Uh-oh. I don't think that
Go.
was. Sorry.
I think it's a good idea.
Think it was there?
Yeah, and Maggie.
Ooh, so cute. Come over here.
Daddy, can you hand me another ball?
Hey, the tree looks better than last year.
Pretty much.
Pretty much.
Can you get me a ball?
Where you want it at? Yeah, I'll hang it up.
I want.
Right here?
Yeah. Now we're doing it up high. Because we haven't done it up high. Bulb! Bulb delivery! Any bulb delivery? Bulb delivery! Bulb delivery! No bulb! Bulb delivery!
Yeah, get down and get them.
How about you put that light down?
See the hard plastic, the way the plastic's made? It looks just like the ones we had.
That's better.
Yeah.
Chinese. Because I had one, I shot that thing, like I shot it.
Alright.
It looked so hot.
Alright, we only got a few more, guys. Let's hang them up.
And then we're doing the little thing.
Yeah. Probably should put the girl on. But okay. Nobody's perfect. Except for you, huh?
I'm perfect. Yeah. No.
No.
You're not perfect.
Oh, you're both perfect.
We only have two more things to put on.
I mean, I want him to go visit, but it'll be the same as last time.
Alright.
I have one. Can you put this one on?
Alright, you each get a garland. Hang on, garland first. Who's under here? Abby. Got it? Tree looks nice down here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's pull yours back, Bill. Pull yours back towards you. No, pull back towards you.
I want more. No, don't put
Yeah.
that one up.
Yeah, you're good. So we gotta do this one and this one.
This one.
This one and this
This
one.
one. I'll do this one, Abby. You do that one.
I'm too old to be under here.
Yeah.
You got it, Sissy?
How are we supposed to do this? They're backwards.
I know, you just gotta, just like you got it. Yep. Alright.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Alright, let's take a look at the final product. Alright, guys, tell us what you think in the comments. If the kids did a great job or what. Ab's gonna be our present this year.
But I don't like Mommy's choices with this.
She wanted red.
Yes.
I wanted green to match the tree.
Yeah, and I hate green.
No, you don't hate green.
That's my last favorite color.
It's got candy canes.
So.
All right, guys. Tell everybody bye.
No. These are what we got from the store. This is one of them. I'll go get mine. Hold this.
Did you get poked? Oh yeah,
This
put
is
that
the
back.
other
Put that in the
one.
bag.
And then you can put, these are only at Dollar Tree in New Haven, Kentucky, Lion Station Road. Put your own picture inside.
Yeah, now you guys got a mess to clean up.
Yeah.
No, that's not where let's go. No. Silly.
Bye, Mom.
All right, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.
If you did,
Make sure you let us know if you like the tree. It's kind of old, so. But we like it.
give it a huge thumbs up and click that side button, turn on notifications, whatever that means.